Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 13th of August, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Duke Energy says it won't pursue any wind farms off the North Carolina coast. The move was driven by financial considerations, the utility giant said this week. The decision announced this week by Duke to scrap any immediate plans for offshore wind comes out of an update last year to the Carolinas Resource Plan that called for a review of the financial feasibility of possibly developing up to 2,400 megawatts of North Carolina offshore wind power on one or more of 3 sites approved by the federal government. On Tuesday, the Solar Energy Corporation of India canceled 2 offshore wind energy tenders. It includes a 500-megawatt project under the Viability Gap Funding Scheme and a 4,000-megawatt seabed lease rights allocation. According to sources, the tenders were canceled because of lack of response from developers. The successful bidder would have had to undertake surveys of seabed and associated development activities required for validation of available datasets towards financial closure. Vestas is well on its way to achieving its goal of reducing warranty provisions to around 3%. During the first half of the year, the proportion of warranty provisions fell to a level approaching satisfactory. The cost has fallen steadily in recent years. In 2022, the share of warranty costs versus total costs was 6.4%. This fell to 5.3% in 2023 and was further reduced to 4.3% in 2024. Colombia's Ministry of Mines and Energy has issued a new resolution launching the country's first offshore wind bidding round. It will operate under a contract for differences scheme. Colombia guarantees prices for 15 years, providing stability for investors and financial viability for new technologies. This will also reduce energy price volatility, protecting end users from unexpected price increases. In March 2025, the Colombian government announced it received nominations for 69 sites from the companies that pre-qualified last year to participate in the country's first offshore wind tender. Environment Minister Povilas Poderskis, who previously worked as a wind energy lobbyist, participated in drafting looser rules on how wind farms' impact on birds is assessed. The changes are seen as favorable to wind farm developers. A comparison of the current regulations with Poderskis' proposal shows the original 46-page document on bird protection has been reduced to just 8 pages. Several measures safeguarding birds have been removed. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.